Hello, my name is Martin Gallagher and I'm the Humanitarian Team Lead at the Irish Permanent Mission to the United Nations. I'd like to welcome you to what is the fifth lecture in the Ireland at Fordham Humanitarian lecture series. Of course, this is the first virtual and online lecture, and that is because of the current COVID-19 global pandemic that we're facing. The Ireland at Fordham Humanitarian Lecture Series seeks to delve into some of the challenges that face humanitarians as they go about their work every day trying to reach the most vulnerable in some of the most difficult places in the world. One of the greatest challenges, and one that's been intensified by the COVID-19 outbreak, is the challenge of humanitarian access, being able to reach the people that need your help when they need it. So we're really delighted to have a lecture online from Jamie McGoldrick, who is the current humanitarian and resident coordinator in the occupied Palestinian territories. Jamie brings a deep well of knowledge and experience to the lecture series, having previously served as a resident and humanitarian coordinator in Yemen and previously in Nepal and Georgia. Jamie has also held a number of senior policy roles within the Office of Coordination for Humanitarian Affairs. So he really brings a very deep level of knowledge. Jamie will talk about his experience, particularly in Yemen and in the OPT, in dealing with humanitarian access. And his lecture will help us understand a little bit better some of the challenges that humanitarians face. So I'll now turn you over to Jamie for his lecture. Thank you.